Hello friends, I'm so glad you're here. Can you believe that with just ordinary eggs, we can create a dish that will surprise everyone? At first glance, it looks like a very simple steamed egg cake. But the real surprise is inside. Let's get started. First, I prepare 4 large ripe tomatoes. Use a knife to cut off the top of each tomato. Then carefully make a shallow circular cut along the inner edge. And use a spoon to carefully scoop out the pulp, leaving only the skin to form tomato cups. Be very gentle so the tomato skins don't tear. I place each tomato cup on the steamer rack. Once finished, set them aside for now. I prepare 4 fresh eggs. Placing an egg separator over the opening of a measuring cup, I crack each egg into it and separate the yolks. Season both portions with a pinch of salt. Then whisk thoroughly. Just whisk enough so the egg whites are incorporated and the yolks become smooth. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Now, I place a pot on the stove, pour in about 1 liter of water, and bring it to a boil. While waiting for the water to heat up, carefully pour the egg whites into each tomato cup. When the water starts boiling vigorously, I place the steamer rack over the pot, cover it tightly, and steam for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare 3 of your favorite heat-resistant ceramic molds. Use a brush to coat the entire bottom and sides of the molds with a very thin layer of cooking oil to prevent sticking. Next, prepare some fresh eggs and gently crack 4 eggs into a measuring cup. Then use a whisk to beat the eggs and seasoning together until you have a smooth egg mixture. Now, look at the measurement marks on the measuring cup to see how many milliliters of egg mixture are in the cup, and carefully pour the egg mixture from the measuring cup into each mold, ensuring an equal amount of egg in each one. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then carefully pour the hot water evenly into each egg mold. Use a fork to stir everything once more so the hot water mixes well with the eggs. If small air bubbles appear on the surface, use a spoon to gently skim them off the molds, leaving a smooth surface. Next, prepare some small pieces of aluminum foil. We'll use them to tightly cover the tops of the molds. Prepare a baking sheet by pouring the hot water we boiled earlier into it. Then carefully place the molds on top of the sheet. Next, place the baking sheet in the oven. And bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. By now, the first 15 minutes of steaming are complete. I open the lid of the steamer and gently place a small PVC pipe right in the center of the said egg white, then press down just enough to create a small cavity. This is the secret to creating the special filling inside the egg. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I slowly pour the previously prepared egg yolk into the hollow space. I replace the lid and continue steaming for about 20 minutes, until the egg yolk is fully cooked. After 20 minutes, I gently remove the steamer basket from the pot. Now came the moment I'd been waiting for. Right in the center of the soft, smooth egg white layer, a strikingly golden circle had appeared. With just one little trick, anyone can make it right at home. By now, the second dish has finished baking. I took the baking sheet out of the oven. I opened the foil lid. Wow! Look at that, the eggs have set. If you want to plate it, simply run a silicone spatula gently along the edge of the mold, and the eggs will release easily. Or you can use a sharp knife to cut them into small pieces. To make the dish even more flavorful, I drizzle a little soy sauce over the surface of the egg pieces with a spoon. To add some color to the dish, I wash and finely chop a few scallions, then sprinkle them on top. And there you have it, a soft, delicious egg dish that's incredibly simple to make. So, with just a few simple steps, we've created some really interesting dishes. If you get the chance, be sure to try making them and let me know which one you like best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple, healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.